In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move the clock behind your photo on your iPhone's lock screen so you get something that looks like this. But before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, then please make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. It would really help me out. So the first thing that we're going to do in this tutorial is to go over to our software update section and then make sure that you're running the latest iOS 26 software update. Some of the features that we're going to use today are only available with iOS 26, so make sure you're running this iOS version. I'm then going to slide from the top to the bottom, long press the empty space, and then Customize. Our job now is to select a photo for our wallpaper, and when you're choosing a photo, make sure it's something that has a clear subject in the front and the rest of the picture behind it. For example, if you use a photo like this one with the palm trees, the iPhone can easily tell what's in the foreground and what's in the background. That's what allows the clock to slide behind the top of the palm tree. If the picture is too flat or everything blends together, the depth effect won't work. But photos with objects that stick up, like trees, people, buildings, usually work perfectly. So once you select your wallpaper, you need to make sure that the depth effect is enabled. Sometimes it's on by default, but sometimes you gotta tap the three dots at the right side and make sure your depth effect is checked here. All that's left for us to do is to zoom in our photo a little bit until our object covers the clock, and the clock will automatically go behind that palm tree in my case, but maybe you have a friend or family member, a car photo, a pet, or whatever your wallpaper is about. Alternatively, you can use the little hinge on your clock and drag it to make the clock bigger. And the clock will also go behind an object in your photo when you do this. Keep in mind that some photos work better than other ones. The ones that are perfect for this effect are those photos that have a strong and darker foreground object. So try a couple of photos and tell me which one works the best for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.